From Peak is a 60 meg photo, 4K, 2-lens, trail cam, solar powered, integrated for your hunting, surveillance, and more. We're going to open up the box, show you what you get inside, and what the product looks like. As we unfold, we have an instruction guide laid on top to go over on how to use your product, a quick guide reference, the camera located inside removing, with a strap for a tree, pole, and more, USB-C compliant short cable, opening up the side package and removing the camera. We have a solar panel on top, adjustable in angle. Please remember to peel all film off the lenses and sensors, and a locking mechanism and a lock area. Opening up, exposing the screen to set up the camera and visual. The USB-C on the bottom, covered up by the door, and a side mount that opens up for AA batteries not included, and tripod mount for AA's. It is an IP rated unit to be hung on the tree. Put a small pole in, lock down, strap up. There are many different ways of hanging. Your top solar panel, adjustable, a speaker on the side, and the SD card slot area. Optional SD and batteries not included. Setting up the camera, placing in batteries, locking down and securing. Opening up the door, turning on the camera by a switch. We are greeted with the logo and language. Black on black lettering, up arrow, down arrow, choice. Choose the year, month, day, hour, minute, second, and memory card. This is the view from the camera with a red LED indicator. Temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit with the camera and video and the megapixels and the amount of information and the date, with the battery showing AA. With the check mark of AC and removal of AC. We could switch the lens. Pressing on the center button, switch lens system restart. Pressing on the top, we have mode, work time, photo video, photo resolution, photo series, video length, audio recording, PIR intervals, sensitivity, side PR, full light distance, camera name, Wi-Fi, date, time, and format. Loop recording, beep sounds, memory card format, language, password protection, factory reset, custom service, version, and back to mode. In mode, PIR detection, time-lapse, and video. We could choose the amount of seconds, increase and decrease. When all done, menu to back out. Trail Cam Go application. Allow the unit and set up. Add the device. Make sure the camera is neon mode and follow the steps. Connecting to the camera, TC, trail camera. Allow the camera to use the app. We have a rapid flash on top and connecting to the camera. Put a name to the camera. Open up the camera. The camera is hooked up to AC. It tells us a battery level of 60%. Memory card, temperature last used or updated, and the model number. Pressing on the camera opens up the camera. Minimal latency. We can increase the size of the screen. We have a settings. Device information, date, time, memory card, mode, motion detection, PR detection, photo or video, 48 megapixels from 2 all the way up to 60. Multi-shot, The time to set up, start time, end time, motion detection sensitivity, PIR intervals, audio and display, the mic volume, the speaker volume, timestamp, and Wi-Fi indicator. Language security and factory reset. Those are the features and functions of the camera. We have a map location and my account, and to add additional camera and to delete off the camera. We have a gallery. When an SD card is installed, I'm going to show you videos and photos. These are just some of the features and functions of the camera. The camera is fully battery operated. As the door is closed, it's IP rated. We're going to go set up the camera. It's solar rechargeable, ran off of the sun. All right, we got the camera situated and we'll see what we could capture and come back in a couple of days. Setting it up for wildlife surveillance around the house and more. We're checking out the camera, joining the network, and seeing if anything was observed. It is a local connection to Bluetooth. As it collects sun during the day to charge the rechargeable batteries and the unit, we're able to open up and shut down the camera for relocation and checking the SD card and more. So if you're looking for a trail cam surveillance camera that you could put up anywhere imaginable, this may be something that you are looking for. I hope you enjoy your product. Capture the birds, wildlife, and more in the area. You can capture just about anything in its way of path. Thank you for viewing and enjoy your trail cam if this is right for you.